Hi guys, it's Bonnie from Manhattan, New York. So I have a miniature haul for you guys from Target and Burlington Coat Factory. So I picked up the Nair, the Sensitive Formula Shower Power Nair, and it works. I didn't have to shave behind it. You guys see my legs? It is hairless, so it works. I haven't used that formula in a long time, to be honest with you guys. That's the shower power one. I usually use the one where you sit out for like 10-15 minutes and you have to like be careful of everything your leg or your body might touch, because y'all, it's 2018. So you guys can see I'm a hairless as I like to be. So it works. Also Old Navy. So I picked this up from Old Navy. I was looking for maternity clothes. This looks like maternity clothes, so my bad if y'all are wearing this because it's not from the maternity section, but it does look like maternity clothes, to be honest with you. It has like the cutoff over the stomach. You guys see this? Like, y'all let me know in the comment section below. I mean, it looks like regular clothes, but it looks like maternity clothes to me. See, it has the cutoff, like it stops like underneath your boobage, and then it has all of this bottom part to like go over your stomach, and then it has a cute tassels. I've been so into tassels lately. Like, I've been obsessed with tassels. So it has tassels, and this part that I really like, I like this part here. It's kind of like smaller ruching around the wrist area. So I really like that. I've been into that a lot lately. From Target as well, that was some Old Navy, and I actually caught it on sale for $2.97. It was originally $32 at that top. Yeah, but it came from online, so it doesn't have the, so you said www.oldnavy.com. It doesn't have the, and I picked it up in an extra large. Being that I'm a medium in tops, extra large is gonna be definitely boom. Throughout my pregnancy, I'll be able to wear that. I picked up the double pack of Dove. It's like $5 for the 2-pack of Dove. And I started trying to open it already, but this is the 2-pack in the fresh, and it's the Invisible Solid, and this deodorant doesn't burn my underarms, but I did have to get used to it because when I initially started using it, it was burning my underarm. My underarms are mad sensitive, so like, as you guys know, this has aluminum chloride, however you want to say, in it. So like products like this usually do. This is the sensitive skin formula, and it did burn me a little bit, but that's just me and my skin. From Burlington Coat Factory, I picked up, you guys saw the other carrier I bought. So I wanted 2 different carriers, 2 different style of carriers. So I like this one where you can like turn the baby as a newborn, and it was cheaper than the first one I bought. The first one I bought came up to $27 with tax. This one was $19.99. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know what the baby's gonna be yet. I'm going for boy. I'm like, I want a boy, so I'm like, I hope it's a boy. This is the small medium. This is from newborn. This is the newborn size. It says newborn to toddler, but yeah, it says newborn to toddler. I believe I stopped carrying my son on my stomach by the time he was almost 3 years old. Yeah, but the thing with me was I was carrying both kids back and forth, so it was kind of weird because my daughter was like 3 pounds heavier than my son. I had like the one on the back and the one on the front, so I really did a lot of damage to my body with my kids. Yeah, so this is the first year's small medium, and it says the woman dress size, so the small medium is 6 to 10, and the men's jacket size is 39 to 40, and then the large is 12 to 14 and 41 to 44. But I have space in this, and yeah, 6 to 10. I'm smaller than size 6, I lost my weight, but from Old Navy, blah, I picked up this in the extra large. This also is from oldnavy.com. It was only $1.47 on sale, and this is the Christmas one that had came out. Somebody ordered it online and then returned it in store. Pretty cool. It's a Christmas one. I really liked it. This is the Christmas one where the cat is all covered up with all the light bulbs. It's wrapped up with light bulbs because it's Christmas season, of course, and people are busy, so they don't have as much time for you as they usually do, so it's so cute. This is the Muslin Canopy car seat cover. Muslin is the actual material. I guess they call it muslin, and it was at $8.99. I had bought this for so much cheaper. I'm surprised I was $8.99. I actually bought this for like $1.99 because the material is so thin, but it was for $8.99 from Burlington Coat Factory, and I picked it up. And it matches the gray matches the car seat and the thing perfectly. So I tried to upload that video for you guys to show you guys stuff that I've been buying for the babies, because I'm literally gonna have like a collective haul. Like, I'm just packing stuff up. I have to paint my whole entire apartment. So you guys know I have a 2-bedroom. I'm tired of the kitchen color. I'm tired of this beige color. So I have to paint my whole entire apartment over. I'm going for white. Also, so I'm going for white. I'm going for a different color when it comes to, like, you guys see, like, it allows you to do so many options, because I have like a built-in like outer wall. You guys see that? That's like a built-in outer wall, so I can do 2 colors in the living room preferably. But I know for my base I'm going to do white, and it'll take me about 1 day to do my whole entire apartment, to be honest with you, and that's taking like mad breaks by myself. But yeah, so I bought 5 onesies, and this is the newborn onesies, and this is the one where it just snaps underneath. And I like Gerber because the material that they use, yeah. So this is what I always put on my kids. This is what I always put. So newborn is 5 to 8 pounds. I need smaller than this. I need premature, because my children, when they're born, fit premature clothes until they're 3 months, and then I start putting on newborn on them, because my kids come out 6 pounds. By the time I leave the hospital 2 days later, I'm like, they lying. They'll be like 5 pounds. But when they initially come out of the canal, they're going to tell me they 7 pounds. I'm going to be like, Jesus Christ. The child tried to kill me. I picked up a Dove sensitive skin body wash. Soap. I'm gonna cut it up and turn it into a body wash. So all you do is, like, you use the grater and you shred it down, and then you add 2 parts of water to how many ounces it is. So this is 3.17 ounces. So you add 6.17 times 2 ounces of water, and you make a perfect body wash. So I bought these maternity clothes, maternity haul, woo woo, from Burlington Coat Factory, but the band fits, but I feel like the pants itself is too, like, it's perfect fitting because my clothes always fall down off of me, but then I feel like it's too big still, even though it's the size that it is. And I picked this up in an extra large, and it was $17.99, and it says super soft. It has super stretch, but I'm just like, y'all, I'm halfway there, so I don't really want to spend a lot of money. So $17.99 was really affordable. Then, like, literally, I'm 39% there, because in 4 months and 3 days, I'm 4 months and 3 days. Like, the months are flying by so fast. Time is going by so fast. Like, I'm like, sometimes I'm like, am I pregnant? And this is called full panel. This thing to cover the stomach, it's full panel maternity jeans. Yeah. This is an extra large as well, and this is $14.99. The brand is called Ava and Alex. I actually heard about this brand when I was pregnant with my first child. It's called Ava and Alex. This brand is called, see, it says maternity bottoms. This brand is the Celebrity Pink Maternity. This brand, this maternity jeans. But I don't feel like the other girls because I am pregnant, so I don't feel as sexy as I did before I got pregnant. So this is another one. Color is pretty cute, so I was feeling like, yeah, I'm getting it back. And so this is called Celebrity Plus Pink Maternity. Super soft. I could just like wear them a couple of times, and this was $16.99. It was on sale for $9.99. This is a size large. and everything fits perfectly. I could just like wear it a couple of times and then give it away. And I used to do that so much because at the end of the day, I'm not gonna wear my maternity jeans after I give birth. But I don't want a lot of maternity jeans, so I wanted to get like, I wanted like 4 pair of maternity jeans for like the rest of my pregnancy, because if you think about like switching out 4 pair of maternity jeans for your pregnancy, like my other pregnancy I OD'd. I had 20 pair of maternity jeans for no reason, y'all. For no reason. I had 20 pair of maternity jeans. After I had that child, I was literally sitting there dragging that stuff along with, like, I had moved right after I gave birth. I moved from Manhattan to Brooklyn, and I literally was like sitting there in a U-Haul dragging like mad maternity clothes because I hadn't given it away yet, because it was just like, you know, you're just like, I still need it, I'm still pregnant. So I caught this was $14.94, and I caught it on sale for $3.99. As you guys know, my aunt died of AIDS in 1996, and it is 2018 now. So I celebrate her life by doing the AIDS walk. So I always buy a new active top to wear. I had to size up because my tops that I wear, I don't wear this any other time. I only wear it to the AIDS walk, and then I wash it and put it away for the next year. And lately I've been buying like 1 a year, so I could kind of like really remember how the year was. So this is the Old Navy Active Go Dry, and it says loose fit ample, and it says it's superior wicking, keeps you dry and comfortable. And I found that it really does. You know, when you start, okay, so the AIDS walk is 12K, but it'll be saying 10K. And initially when I signed up for it, it did say 12K. And then when we got there, they were like, oh no, we made a mistake. So I just feel like they just like omit the actual distance, because anyways, to get into the park where the walk begins, if you guys are familiar with the AIDS walk or whatever, to get into the park, that's like 2 miles that you walk to get into where the AIDS walk actually begins. And then you actually have, and then it's another like 2 miles before the AIDS, it's 2 miles into the park. Okay, altogether to actually the start line of where the AIDS walk begin, it's 4 miles. Like, because they measured it, but then they were like that, because that's not considered part of the walk. So it's like, they tell you the truth, believe them. So I picked up an extra large. This is a 2X. I actually thought it was an extra large, but it's a 2X, and it'll be perfect because May I'm gonna be 8 months pregnant, so this will be perfect. Okay, also for the baby, I picked up these onesies, and these are like the hospital shirts that you get for they didn't have the my baby won't be able to wear this till he's like till it's like 3 months. So they didn't have and I still have to wash all these stuff. I have to buy the I'm finding new soap, you guys. The last baby I had was 9 years ago, so I was using Draft. So I don't know what is the new baby soaps out there that they are using to wash babies' clothes. So I am going to Google and figure out everything. Like, y'all, I'm Googling everything. I was really fortunate because I signed up for like all these magazines and stuff, and these people are like recent parents. So, you know, they put all the information of what is in, you know, you want to know what's in, what kind of strollers in. Now, I bought this stroller, but you want to know, you know, what stroller is in, you know, what's the new thing. So, yeah. But I stuck to like this, being that my skin is sensitive, so I figured my baby's skin is going to be sensitive as well. And both my children's skin were sensitive. I used a lot of Dove body wash on my child when they were small, and I diluted it. I didn't put it like on the rag. I would use like a container like of this size, and I put like a drop on it, and then I would dilute it into like warm water, and that's how I would bathe my child. That's just like a tip from a old ass mom, because my youngest is gonna be 9 on Saturday. So yeah. I'm going to put in an order for my daughter's balloons today, and I'm going to pick it up tomorrow, and I'm going to bring her her birthday balloons at the house because I have these beautiful pink balloons and my daughter wants it too, and I'm so happy she's a princess like her mommy and she wants it too for her birthday. So she just made me so happy by that because like they kind of like raising her like in between, like not really a princess, and I'm like princess. So yeah, I picked up these and these are the snap ones. This is called the side snap shirts, and it has a side snap, but this is 0 to 3 months, so it's way too big for a newborn. And because it comes from 8 pounds, it says 8 to 12 pounds. Your newborn should not be nowhere near 8 pounds. When I went to the 2-month appointment, my son was just going to 7 pounds. When I went to the 4-month appointment, he was just turning 8 pounds. So I don't know. Some people, like, I don't know. Well, he was a little bit under 8 pounds. He was like 7 pounds and not quite 8 pounds at the 4-month appointment. By the 6-month appointment, he was like 8 pounds, because your baby should gain like a pound every 2 months. So I don't know why people be having these children that's like 20 pounds or giving birth to 10-pound baby. I feel like that is wickedness to the person's body, honestly, and I'm against it. So I got 3 of these. These are 3 onesies with no long sleeves and 2 onesies that has long sleeves. And this is 0 to 3 months. So you guys can see it's 2 of these. So this has the long sleeves and the wrap over. It wraps over the hand. Perfect for the newborn. So I have to find where I can find all of these onesies. So this is the essential set. It's the 5-piece essential set for those of you who, and it says 1-piece underwear. So it lets you know that they're supposed to go underneath the baby shirt. What I do is I take one of these onesies in premature, because I still have to go back and buy premature. So I take one of these onesies in premature and I put it on the baby first. Then I take one of these shirts with the side snaps and then I put it on the baby secondary, or a shirt with side snaps, or like another onesie that has color in it, because the color will dye my child's skin, especially since we're so light skin. Color dyes my skin too. Like this could dye your child's skin. So I would put that on top of this, and then if it does dye, it'll dye the onesie and not the child's skin. So and again, this is 8 to 12 pounds, so my child won't be wearing this anytime soon either. So yeah, that's like my mini haul. Got the stroller. What else? Oh, if you guys watch a video, I'm uploading it right now. You guys should see it before I finish uploading this video. And that's where I show you guys the white noise machine that I bought for the baby. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I buy the paint and stuff like that. I'm about to get in the shower, get dressed, and leave my house. It's 1:27 now. I have a 4 o'clock class, so I'm gonna get out the house by 2 o'clock, and I need to clean my house. I really need to clean my house. I found some frames where I could frame the pictures. You guys see the pictures up there, where I could frame them. But I actually like the poster board that it's on, because it's flat to the wall and I didn't have a hard time hanging it. If I have a hard time hanging something, I don't enjoy it as much, such as those picture frames. I had to buy special things and attach it to the back of the picture frame. You guys know they have like little picture frame hangers, and it comes in metal and it has like that rigid thing. So I had to buy those special stuff and put it to it. So I did not enjoy it as much when I put it up. I was like, ugh. Like, yeah, it looks nice, but did you know how hard it was to hang it up? You know, so thumbs up the video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel. Stay there, me and my life. Be blessed. I'll do the same again. This is Bonnie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah.